Good morning, viewers. This is yet another day, and we will continue to do whatever we have been doing. So I've decided to take you through KCSE 2024. That was the exam that was done last year, paper 2, starting from number 1. So this was the first question assessed in the KCSE 2024 paper 2 examination. The question reads: an arithmetic progression AP is given as, so we have our progression 600, 650, 700, 750, and we have been told to determine the 30th term, or term number 30. So for us to determine the 30th term, the formula that we are going to use is Tn, or that the nth term is equal to, the nth term is equal to the first term, which is A, plus the common difference n minus 1d. So this is the formula we use to find the nth term. So our nth term is 30th term. So where our A is our first term, which is 600, then we need to determine our D, which is our common difference. Our common difference, we obtain it by taking the second term minus the first term, or the third term minus the second term, and it should be a constant. So 600 minus 650 minus 600 will definitely give us a 50. So if you can confirm using all the other variables, and you are going to see that the D is equal to 50. So by having that, we can now proceed to find the nth term, and our T30 is going to be A 600 plus into brackets n, our nth term is 30, so it will be 30 minus 1, then multiplied by D, which is 50. And by doing that, we will have determined the nth term. So our T30, or our 30th term, will be 600 plus 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. 29 multiplied by 50 is going to give us 29 multiplied by 50 is going to give us it will give us 29 times 50 is equivalent to 1450. It's equivalent to 1450. So when we add the two, we will get our nth term as 600 plus 1450. That will give us plus 600, it will be equal to 0. We have a 5 there, we have a 10, and we have 2. So our 30th term will be equivalent to 2050. That is our 30th term. So we will proceed to determine the second question, which is the sum of the first 30 terms of the AP. The sum of the first 30 terms of the AP. So we can utilize this space here. So we have part B, the sum of the first 30 terms of the AP. That is still 2 marks. So for us to determine the sum of n, we determine it by n over 2 into bracket A plus L. A plus L. So the sum, our n is 30, our A is 600, and our last term L is equal to whatever we have just determined. On the top it was 2050. That was our 30th term. And for us now to determine the sum, so the sum of 30 will be equal to 30 divided by 2 into brackets 600 plus our L is 2050 and by doing that we will get our 30th. The sum of the first 30 terms will be 15 into brackets 2050 plus 600. That will give us 2650. 2650. And when we multiply, we will get the sum of 30 terms as 39,750. 39,750. So we can confirm this. 2650 plus multiplied by 15, that will give us 39,750, and by doing that you get 2 marks. So that is how you are supposed to approach question number 1, and question number 1 carried 4 marks cumulatively. So I will proceed to do more videos on this particular examination. In our next question, we will be doing question number 2. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, ensure you click subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll always be updated. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.